National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Ford County in east central Illinois, northern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, eastern Livingston County in central Illinois, southern Will County in northeast Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from Manhattan to 5 miles southeast of Lakewood Shores to 7 miles east of White, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Peatone, Manteno, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Kankakee, Piper City, Momence, Watseka, Forest, Cullum, Herscher, Chatsworth, Aroma Park, Beecher, Shabance, Granta Park, Clifton, Ashton, St. Anna Gilman. Other locations affected: Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds, Speedway, Kankakee River State Park, Olivet Nazarene University, Will County Fairgrounds, Interstate 57 between mile markers 279 and 333, Interstate 55 between mile markers 212 and 215. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service in Chicago.